Hi friends, liver is the only organ that can regrow in our body. It has the unique ability to repair, regenerate and regrow even after the worst damage. Even if you cut and remove 90% of the liver, it can still regrow to its full size. But at the same time, liver is not invincible. Liver can still get diseases and can lead to permanent liver damage. Most common liver diseases progress through 4 stages. Number 1, fatty liver. Your liver just contains some extra fat. This stage is usually harmless. This fatty liver disease is called as alcoholic fatty liver disease if you are alcoholic, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease if you are non-alcoholic. The fatty liver condition can be reversed completely with proper care. Number 2, Steatohepatitis. Along with the fat, liver has some inflammation. It is also called as non-alcoholic Steatohepatitis NASH or alcoholic Steatohepatitis ASH based on whether you are non-alcoholic or alcoholic respectively. This Steatohepatitis condition is also reversible. Number 3, fibrosis. The inflammation is persistent and also caused some scarring. Up to this stage, your liver can function normally. This is the last reversible stage of the disease, meaning even the fibrosis stage can be reversed partially or completely with proper and consistent care, but it can take a really long time. Number 4, cirrhosis. Scarring is widespread and liver cannot function well. This stage cannot be reversed. People who drink alcohol regularly or excessively are more prone to liver disease, but unfortunately this can happen even to people who drink a little alcohol or even don't drink at all. It is mainly due to diabetes, obesity, more triglycerides and other health conditions. As I said, liver can repair and regenerate. All it needs is a proper care. In this video, we will look at one simple and quick remedy that can help to prevent liver disease, stop the progression and can reverse the condition in early stages. Take a cup of hot water. This needs to be just hot enough like your tea or coffee. Now we need dry ginger powder. You don't believe it, but studies prove that ginger can significantly improve liver health and can reverse liver disease like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. Just add half teaspoon of ginger powder. We need beetroot powder. For the liver to repair itself, first we need to flush out the toxins in the liver. Beetroot is a powerful detoxifier and helps in cleansing the liver. Beetroot powder contains betaine, a special amino acid that reduces inflammation and risk of liver damage. Just add 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder to this. Now squeeze in some lemon juice based on your taste. Lemon is a super antioxidant and has the ability to burn down excess fat in the liver, which can reverse fatty liver. Add a little organic honey for taste. You can squeeze around 1 tablespoon. Well, honey can also improve liver health and functioning. It was proved to prevent hepatic damage to the liver. Mix all the ingredients. That's all. Super powerful liver detox and liver repair drink is ready. You can enjoy this hot as tea or let it cool down and take it as a shot. Some people enjoy taking it as shots or throw some ice and enjoy a cold splash. Fortunately, this is super duper tasty and delicious thanks to beetroot and honey, which are naturally sweet. Take this drink anytime during the day. I usually prefer taking between meals. Along with this, number 1, do regular exercise and try to lose extra weight. This works like a wonder. Number 2, eat diet rich in seafood, vegetables and fruits. Number 3, use olive oil for cooking. That's all. With these methods, you can prevent and treat fatty liver, steatohepatitis and other liver diseases in the early stages. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and come back for more interesting videos. Love to see you again.